Hello, welcome back. Today I'm introducing my new electric grinder for pepper. I was using this one, the manual one, but it is very hard, believe me. And many of you know, if you know, using it, you know it is hard to grind. So I bought one of these. Actually, there is two options available, one for pepper and one for salt. But I usually buy ground uh, salt, so I don't need a one for salt, but I prefer to have a one for pepper because when we buy the ground pepper, the qualities I found it is not very good as the um, the fresh one. That's why I bought this one. So as you can see, this is a rechargeable one, and this is with a USB C cable. So the previous ones were micro USB, and that is not nowadays. USB-C is in most things. USB-C is available. So this is it. As you can see, the charging point is there, and there is a button, and this is it. You can fill the here. See, I already charged it actually. So there is a light also. Wow. Okay, let me just fill the thing with pepper and see how is it useful. So I opened the top. It is very easy to open, and you can see the opening is big, large. So I think it is easy to fill. Let me see. Yes, I filled it with the pepper. I think around 80 grams, 75 grams can contain in this one, and let's see how good it is. Okay, there we go. Wow, cool, cool. Yes, see, very nice, very easy to use. You know, for with this one, to put this much pepper, I have to struggle actually. So I love it, and it is very cheap. From Temu it was around £6 I paid. If you are buying the pepper and the salt grinder, it will be around 14 13 pounds something. Anyway, it's worth. Thank you so much for watching my video. uh, Thanks.